Your Excellency, the State President Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, Your Excellency, Madam Monica Chakwera, the First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency, Madam Mary Chilima, the children and the family, the Chilima families, His Grace, the Archbishop George Tambala, all the bishops of the Catholic Church, all the religious leaders present, Dr. Michael Usi, Engineer Kambala, UTM family, and all my seniors present. His Excellency, Dr. Chilima was a true son of Malawi, a multi-talented. We in UTM, he was our father, our advisor, our mentor, our admirer, educator, and our visionary leader. He wanted the best for Malawians. He wanted the people of Malawi to progress in life. And he was very courageous with advice. He humbly gave advice and was always jovial. In the party, he was one of the youngest people, and yet his advice was always very mature. Malawi has lost a visionary man, a resilient man, a loving man, so patient, and his patience was so wonderful, very peaceful, performer. He was a reformer. He was so courageous. He was so considerate. He was a hard-working person. He was so patriotic. The list is endless. No wonder the church decorated him. His Grace, the Archbishop George Tambala, we thank you very much and take our thanksgiving to the church for the work and for the decoration which you've done to our father, Dr. Chilima. We thank all the fathers, the sisters, and the church at large. We salute you for remembering Dr. Chilima, and you still remember him. We thank all the religious leaders for standing with us. UTM and the nation have benefited from his vision. Your Excellencies and all my seniors present, SKC is the brain behind the beautiful UTM manifesto. We salute the Supreme, the High Court, the judges, and all the lawyers. We talk of the mega farm concept which has become the pride of Malawi, which was his dream. Dr. Chilima's death at 51 is a great loss. Pepani Kwambiri, Your Excellency, the UTM family, and Your Grace, the Archbishop and the Church, and all the political parties who've been with us. The visionary man became an encouragement to the youth, women, and the corporate world to participate in politics. He changed our politics from tribalism and regionalism. The atmosphere at his office at Capitol Hill was like a private company office. Those who have visited him at his house who agree with me and let Dr. Chilima would serve you drinks and food. He would not allow you to serve him as a vice president, not in his house and even at church. He encouraged the open door policy, politics, and the politics of inclusiveness. He championed the restructuring of the economy. He was a very time-conscious person and taught a lot of us how to manage time. Sadly, he's leaving before delivering what he hoped for. Not all visions get achieved in our own time indeed. Moses' leadership did not take the Israelites to Canaan. We at UTM will see Dr. South Chilima's vision accomplished. Dr. South Chilima in his lifetime has in several ways set the vision and direction for the UTM leadership to take us to Canaan. He repeatedly told us that we needed to learn and be ready for what has befallen us. The party accordingly is appealing to all Malawians not to give up, not to be afraid. The party will realize Chilima's vision for this country. As he always said, Osa Oba, Osa Toba, Osa Fooka. He brought the same to the UTM party. Even in a clear case of provocation, our leader would respect his role and keep cool. That is discipline. As I echo our late Ngwazi Kamsbanda, the founder of the nation, defined it as doing the right thing at the right time in the right manner. That is the legacy SKC has left us. Your Excellency, we would like to salute you, to thank you very much as UTM family for the support which you've been providing us and the family. And may God bless you. Your Excellency, the former President, Dr. Joyce Banda, the former President, Dr. Bakiri Muluzi, the former Vice President, Right Honorable Kachali, Right Honorable Chakufa Chihana, the leaders of different political parties, our traditional leaders, our paramount chief, TAs, the army commander, and all the officers, the police, the IG, and all the police officers. We salute you, all our seniors, our lawyers. We thank you very much. Your Excellency, Madam Mary Chilima, we count on you and also count on us. We are not going to leave you alone. To our father, Dr. South Chilima, wherever you are our fallen hero. What you stood for the vision, the dream, and the hope, moves on. We are multiplying now. Ndipo tonse tagwirana manja, tipitiriza kugwirana manja.